Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Destash video. This is for PayPal friends and family, US 18 years old or older. Please pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation, and you want to send your emails if you're interested to fphandmade@gmail.com. That's PayPal friends and family, 18 years old or older. Please pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation. Email me at fphandmade@gmail.com if you're interested. So what I have today is a Maggie Holmes lot. I have some new and used items. So let's check out the used items first. So I have this 6x6 paper pad, Chasing Dreams. It originally had 36 sheets, and I think 5 are missing. So if you're familiar with Maggie Holmes' Chasing Dreams, you know this paper pad. And then I have the 6x6 Bloom, 36 sheet, and 4 are missing out of this one. It's from the very popular Bloom collection. And then I have the 6x6 Gather, 36 sheets. It looks like 2 are missing. That's this paper pad. And then I have the 4-piece frame set Willow Lane, but actually I only have 2 pieces in this one. No, 3. Is it 3? No, 2. Sorry. 2 pieces. And then from, let's see, I'm not sure which collection this one is, but it was the crepe paper, and it's 1 bow is missing. This Willow Lane collection of bows, the yellow bow is missing. And then I have this assorted stickers, sheets. Some of the stickers on here are missing. And I think one of the hearts there, or a couple of the hearts. And the stars, you can see on the back what's missing. And a couple of the words here. And I think this is intact. And then I have the chipboard from Garden Party, and we have 1 missing here. I have the chipboard from, I think this is Willow Lane, and I have 4 missing there. And the chipboard from, I can't think of the name of it, Carousel. And there's that one missing, and that one, and that one. So those are the items that are slightly used. So let's go into the new items. I have 2 of these flower sets from Willow Lane. These really pretty bows from Sunny Days. These rub-on stickers from Willow Lane. And these Willow Lane ephemera. And this set from Shine, stickers. And this is from Shine also, these stickers. And these 40-piece or over 40-piece ephemera was from Confetti. And then the heritage bows, little butterflies from Willow Lane, this really pretty trim. From 49th and Market, this 40-piece ephemera. From Fresh Bouquet, this 40-piece ephemera. From Sunny Days, this 32-piece die set, die cuts, alphas. Those are the alphas that you get in there. Let's see. From, let's see, which one is this from? Flourish, 2 of the little birds. And from, Flourish is this decorative trim. And I may have used a little of this one, I'm sorry. I think I used a little of this decorative trim. And then from Flourish, 2 of the puffy stickers. From Heritage, these charms. From Chasing Dreams, this ephemera, rhinestones. And then this is from Flourish, ephemera set. And then from Sunny Days, these embossed die cut sheets, one sheet. And then I have the Flourish paper pad. It's 24 sheets. This is the 6x8. If you haven't seen this. Awesome. And then I have 40 sheets of 12x12 loose paper from various collections. I have a couple of garden parties, heritage, sunny days, flourish, and gather. So 12x12 single sheets. And then I have this chipboard from Garden Party. It's 53 count. And then I have this one 12x12 paper pad of Sunny Days. It's 36 sheets. And this is an older collection. So that's it. So if you are a Maggie Holmes fan and you're missing some of the items from certain collections, this is your chance. And so this whole Destash will be shipped in a priority mailer, and this is going to be $56 shipped. So let me know below if you're interested. I mean, not below, but email me. The comments will be turned off below. But if you're interested, it's PayPal, friends and family, US 18 years old or older. Please pay within an hour of receipt of email confirmation, and that's at fphandmade@gmail.com, and that's $56 shipped. Thank you, guys.